Dr. Aicc, General Secretary ka All India Congress Committee AICC, haka arf kandai terik urisau. Hadin bala pediang ya kejingwan pa jong uzenit sangma syaka sing Congress, ulai thu badang don bun kirang ba bikinong yalam ne kiwei ki sing san hima, ki bala kuwa bat sliang banwan pa syaka sing Congress, kentup ya kirang ba naka sing sensyar ha Meghalaya. Uloong, haba ki wan pai nginum kentat yaki, bat yepi kinong thok Khubor ngin sayathu ha kapor ka babiang. Dr. Aicc uloong, ka Kongres ka train na kabenta kari India baro kaway, bat kapiar ya lagi kti ban kedup ya baro ki bawan pai syaying jongka. Uloong ru, ka Kongres kam jubuk dor halor ka klip riu, bat kitu ki bapediang ya kijing temu bat rukom perkhat jongka ban train na kabenta kari gi pediang sngobha ya baro. Ulay ro ikajing shlur jong zenit ban wan pai shala ka ying kemi bat uloong ru, uday udukot jong ka ying Kongres. Uday dukot jong ka ying Kongres. Minta ulas ngau thu syai, day tang ka Kongres ka basumar sukher ya kajing Tylli jong kinong syong shnong kari India, bat ka ay kajing syakri bapaka, bat ka penok kelut ya ki bha jong Khuborjylla. Ulay dating ba Vincent Pala, President ka MPCC da ka baong. Haba ki wei ki phet no na ka seng Kongres, kumno ki keno ka day na kajing telot jong u. La mo ban khang ya ki balalot ula keli. Ulay ro i kajing teri shitom bat jing minot jong ba Vincent kum unongilam ka seng Kongres ha Meghalaya.
See, Congress party always looks into the interest of the nation. Nation first, then the party. So, if someone realized their mistakes, if they really want to serve the people of the nation, they are most welcome. But we are not here to purchase anybody like the other political party. There is no price for any individual. By accepting the principles of the Congress party, anybody can join the Congress party.
Well, since
Is it a closed chapter that you will not change Vincent Pala?
Do you find any vacancy here? Now there is no vacancy.
There's no vacancy, but what about the party?
Vincent Pala is the
members?
president, PCC president.
but Congress never had a vacancy. Congress created vacancy. So after losing so many, Congress has lost so many MLAs have actually gone from the party.
That is your calculation.
Yeah. Because somebody left Congress party, it doesn't mean that it is a failure of her leadership. If somebody is greedy, what can we do? We are not here to fix a price for some individuals. So, the journalism, you people have to correct the system of the politics. If somebody sold their people's verdict, it is the journalist has to highlight that. Pala is a loyal congressman, dedicated congressman. He served as a minister in the union government. He is working hard as a PCC president. Today also, everybody has seen people who left Congress also coming back, and people who served the state in the NGO, as a NGO or different field, they are also coming back and joining the Congress. They are accepting the leadership of Vincent Pala. Under the NPP governance, the HIV affected people's number has gone up like unimaginable. More than 10% of the people of Meghalaya got affected with the HIV. It is a very shocking. One of the reasons behind is the drug menace. the government is not taking a serious steps to control the drug mafia. Instead of controlling, they are also hand in glove with the drug mafia. See, any government, it is for the people's welfare. People electing a public representative to serve them and also to look after their welfare. But because of the failures of the governance of the state government, they are only looking into how to swindle the public money and also how to earn illegally to develop their wealth. By throwing money, they are thinking they can purchase the elected representatives, whichever the party they got this thing, but by throwing money, they are literally purchasing the people and strengthening their government. So this is the sad part that is going on in the state of Meghalaya. So the Congress Party's executive committee meeting, we discussed about these subjects, and now we will take up these issues and we will fight against the ruling government. Some of the MLAs might have left the Congress Party. We are not bothered about it because Congress Party is not dependent on some individuals. So many senior leaders left the Congress, but today where they are, it is a $1 million question. Everybody knows about it. But we as a Congress members, our workers, our district Congress committee presidents, state office bearers, block presidents, they are very confident that they will strengthen the Congress Party, rejuvenate the organization, and we will win the 2028 Assembly election. In between, the Garo Hills election is coming up in the next year. So there, definitely, we are very confident that definitely we will win that election also. So anything else?
Thank you.
It's a very great pleasure for me to welcome our old family member who had contributed much to the Congress Party from his young age, Mr. Samla to the Congress Party. He was the State Youth Congress President, MLA, Minister, Secretary All India Congress Committee, and he served in many positions in the Congress Party. But in between, due to some reason, he left Congress for a short period of time, and now he realized at the larger interest of the nation and to keep the secular principle of the nation, only Congress Party can do better. Congress Party is the only political party in this country that will uphold the constitution of the nation. So I welcome him with the wholehearted. All India Congress Committee President Sri Mallikarjuna Kharge has accepted his admission in the Congress Party. Same way, I welcome the other dignitaries, Mr. Lionel and Plaster. Mr. Plaster, as you all know, he was a very honest police officer who served many decades in this for the welfare of the people of the state. So he, after resigning from the job, he wants to serve for the state, people of the state and for the nation. For that, he finally chosen Congress party is the only political party can do better for the future of the state. So I welcome all of them and many people from the ruling side also and the other political parties. They have already conveyed their willingness to join back to Congress party. So in a course of time, one by one, we will definitely admit them. That time, we all will come to know about it.
On behalf of the MPCC and my own behalf, I express my gratitude to our leader, Dr. Aicc, who is in charge of Meghalaya, and also in charge of Joint Secretary Advocate Matthew, who have joined us today for induction of Janit Sangma, who was with us and has gone for some time. You have heard his speech, then he's come back with us. Also our new members, Cluster Sib, who have joined us. He has been always with us, but today is a felicitation for him. Also our new members, we have Lionel Nongklau, who was a candidate in the MDC, and now he has joined us. Their sole intention of joining us that to fight against communal forces, we need to join together, we need to work together. Like the in charge has said, in a Congress, we always think party's interests are not top priority and our personal interests behind it. With that intention, I think many of us also are working together for the progress. Like I was to say that when the Congress is weak, our society is weak. Exactly what many speakers have said, that Congress is the only party who always defend, preserve, promote the secularism in India. Sometimes it's good to be out of power, but whenever the Congress is out of power, the damage has done in that short time, it takes time to repair. So it's high time that the people of Meghalaya, as well as the people of India, to realize that we should come back to the Congress. The same thing, with that intention, our people has joined us. Since I am in charge, are here both of them, I will